Want to own social media like a pro? Here's how. First up, consistency is key. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Think of it like watering a plant. No water, no growth. Next, know your audience. Are they teens, parents, or business pros? Tailor your content to fit their interests and needs. Tip 3. Visuals matter. Use eye-catching images and videos. A picture is worth 1,000 words, right? Engage with your followers, reply to comments, ask questions, and start conversations. Make them feel heard and valued. And don't forget, analytics are your friend. Keep an eye on what's working and what's not. Adjust your strategy accordingly. Finally, be authentic. Show the human side of your brand. People connect with real stories and genuine personalities. So, there you have it. Consistency, knowing your audience, great visuals, engagement, analytics, and authenticity. Follow these tips and watch your social media presence soar. Happy posting!